Yeah? Something you can take away and do any time. Okay, just put on some great music that you love. Give yourself a few minutes. Change your breathing. Close your eyes. Just breathe. Be grateful. Think of 3 things that you're grateful for. It will change your state. You cannot be angry when you're in a state of gratitude. You cannot be fearful. Think about who you love. We're all here to make a difference, right? That's why you're doing what you're doing. You're putting yourself through a lot of high-level study. Why? Maybe you want to get a great job. Why? Maybe you want to have a great lifestyle. You know, take care of people, have a great family, right? Have a great life. We're doing it for good things. So let's just feel good. NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Has anyone heard of this? You might have heard of natural language machines or something. NLP's got some other connotations now. Heard of NLP?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So, really, really powerful. It gives you an insight into how we think, right? How we think, how we feel, and how we can change that. Just to get better results in life, because we're continually evolving. We always want better for ourselves. Okay, and through coaching as well, we can help not only ourselves, but others get what they desire in life. Right? Because I'm sure we've all got this this urge to help each other as well. All right, so through coaching, you can help others get their desires. There's lots of different presuppositions, like kind of rules now in helping, rules, but like sayings, if you like. And 2 that I really like is every behaviour has a positive intention. Even if it might be something that you don't agree with, you don't like, there is a reason why that person is doing it. They're driven by some kind of greater good, if you like, positive intention. And the other one is, everyone is doing the best they can with the resources they have. So decisions that you made as a young person, now when you look back, you might think, you know what, I would have done that differently. But you did what you did because that's all you knew then, right? So everybody is doing the best they can with the resources that you have. So wherever you are in life and whoever you meet, it just gives you that, they might do stuff that you don't like, right? Or you don't agree with, and that's perfectly fine. But there's a certain sense of compassion, like, what? It's their issue, it's their problem. I'm not going to let it affect me. They're doing the best they can with the resources that they have. So we're going to do another experience now. You are going to be coaching each other. So you're going to change the way you think. We're going to get some really high-level thinking going on. Some rules for change. You need to understand cause and effect. So the difference here is that if you're in effect, the world is happening to you. All right. My boss is like this. My girlfriend's like this. The world is like this. The government, I can't do it because of this, the other. Right. And you are in a state of helplessness and victimness if you are in a state of effect. Oh, well, I grew up here and that's why this. Or whatever, you can say what you like, right? The fact happened, but you've decided that you are at effect. That's all happened and it's resulted in you now. Or you can be in cause. Same stuff happened, but you are taking responsibility. Oh, I grew up there, which means this, right? The government is doing this, or my boss is like that, which means this. Right, so you are taking personal responsibility and you are at cause. Even if some stuff didn't go well for you, you're going, you know what, it's fine. That's what happened to me. Maybe there's a learning for that. Maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe it's going to lead me somewhere else. The other one is having responsibility for change. Right, you're responsible for change for you. Okay, the people you meet can help. The situations you're in can help, but you put yourself in that situation, right? It doesn't just land on your lap. So you're responsible for change, you're responsible for value, and you're responsible for the results that you get. You're doing a degree right now, you're doing assignments all the time, you might get a grade, you think, oh my god, I failed, that's terrible, I want to quit, oh my god, what happened? Maybe they marked it unfairly, maybe this, maybe that, it's all going on. But you can either get results or you can get reasons. So people who are looking for a reason are looking for other people to blame. If you want a result, you go, you know what, I got that grade. Okay, whatever. It just means that I need to do better or learn more, or maybe that's just not my strength, but at least I tried it, right? We can't all get A's in everything, or maybe we can. Okay, so it's having that that idea around results versus reasons. We can always have a reason not to go to the gym, right? It's raining, it's cold, it's late, there's a reason. Or we can get up and go, right? There's a choice every time. So we have the answers inside of us at any given time. We have the answers. And coaching is about asking powerful questions. If something isn't going great for us, we can chat to our mum, our best friend. They'll give us advice and say, yeah, he's a loser, leave him. Or they'll say, no, you're lovely, just, I'm with you. They'll give you what we want to hear, but that's not coaching, right? Coaching is asking powerful questions. You need to have rapport, though. You can't just turn up and start coaching someone that goes, who are you? Like, you need to build certain connections, right? You need to have a bit of rapport. And as a coach, you are not advising. You are not saying, this is what you should do. My suggestion is this. You're not there to advise. You're not there to judge. So they can say what's it. You can't go, really? Are you sure about that? You're not there to judge, and you're not there to fix them either. Okay, we're all on a journey. Who knows some fixers? Who knows some people who do you know what? This is what you need to do. Yeah, maybe you might be a fixer. Maybe you might be judgy. Maybe you might be the advisor. You think, I'm a great advisor. Well, did they ask for your advice? Okay. When you're coaching, you are not advising. You are not judging. You're not fixing. What you're doing is you are presenting some very high-level questions, and you're listening with patience and with compassion. There's no wrong answers. There's no right answers. Okay, you're just listening for their response. And it might take a while for them to come up with a response, because they might be judging, thinking what you might want to hear, and this whole thing going on. But they need to be willing for change. They need to be willing to have that change. You can't just work with someone or coach someone when they've got no interest. Maybe somebody's smoking, right? And you think that they should give up. You think it's good for their health to give up. They don't want to quit. It doesn't matter what you say. Right? If they go to see a therapist to quit smoking and actually they don't really want to because it's giving them a secondary gain, it's giving them some other reason, to stay there, they're not going to change. So you need to have that desire to change. And there are no wrong answers. So this exercise, I will just hand these out and I'll tell you what to do in a second, so you can just pass those along. Okay, and I love this as well from Einstein. So we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. It's really powerful. If you have a problem and you stay where you are and you try and figure it out, you are not going to solve that problem. You have got to have a different level of thinking. You've got to have that growth mindset. You've got to think different possibilities in order to solve that problem. A lot of people like to stay in their problem. They like other people to fix it for them. They want the world to change. But if you want to change that problem, you've got to change the way you think. So this exercise is based on Robert Dilt's neurological levels of NLP. And it covers 6 different parts of us. And there's 6 different kind of core questions as well. So we've got the level of the environment. So these are the where questions. All of these impact, they all change and impact each other. So the environment is like what's going on around you. Okay? Behaviour is how you are acting, what you're physically doing. And then we've got our skills and competences. So we can do certain things well or not so well. So we're figuring out because we've learned this stuff. Okay, and then it goes further than that, and it goes into our beliefs and our values. Like what is important to us? What do we believe about the situation? That's going to affect our decision, what we're going to do and not do. And then that goes further into our identities. So now we are this person. Right? We are who we say we are based on all these other things. But even higher than identity is purpose. And that's the great question, isn't it? What is the meaning of life? What am I here for? I don't know my purpose. What am I doing? I don't know what to do. It's a big question, all right? So it's about purpose. So who else does this affect? It's not about you anymore. who else is this affecting? If you're doing any courses and challenges where it's to make a change in our society or different societies, you're thinking above and beyond yourself. So the exercise works like this. You're going to start off with this sheet, okay, the one with the triangle, and you're going to get into pairs. We can only really do this for time purposes just one way. So one of you is going to be asking questions, the other one is going to go through. Remember that problem that we said that you had at the beginning? Do you think of a problem that you might have had that you wanted to resolve? You're going to apply this now to this, okay? So if you are the coach, if you've got the problem, you don't need to do anything, just answer the questions, right? So as the coach, you are going to start off with the environment questions and ask them what's going on in your environment and the people you're with that's helping you. What's going on in your environment and the people you're with that's not helping you. And just give them some time to answer, okay? Once they've answered that, go up to the next level, ask them the behaviour questions, the skills and competencies, all the way up to the identity, right? Just kind of ignore what it says, that eye level thing, because you are your own guru. You do have the answers inside of you. So once you've got to the identity level, then you can turn the sheet over, and we're going to go the other way. So we've started off with the environment. We've got a problem, somebody's bothering us at work, there's a niggling situation going on, there's something that's and you are being asked these questions until you get up to purpose, right? Then on the other side, your coach is now going to start from purpose, start going back down. They're going to ask you those questions. What is your purpose going forward now, your identity, etc., all the way down to environment. You're going to see how the problem might have changed. To decide who you want to work with, we have 5, 6, 8, yep, so pairs, okay, decide who's got the problem, decide who's going to be the superstar coach, all right, and you can sit anywhere else in the room you like, so you can sit or stand, just move somewhere else, and give you a little bit of time to do this.